Hey guys, this is Forte, December 3rd. Still not a lot of swing ideas for today, just like the video. And follow up with last night's SPY short idea. SPY did something a little bit different. Instead of gapping down, the SPY showed strength in the morning and gapped up. And then, when green for a little bit, either be the buyings, the dip buyers coming in. I think they're buying it too early either way because the SPY just undercut the 5-day moving average, and now it's coming down. Now today's VWAP is showing that basically sellers are showing up on today's VWAP. So I think today is a sell day, but it gapped up to catch people in, and I have a really really small short position. It's like really 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 small, and I am planning on adding a little bit more if the stock does break below 458.13. So I'm waiting right now. Okay, I think I can go ahead and add
Order filled.
5 more options on the SPY. So these are put options. I don't plan on shorting the shares. So I have 10 right now put options that's expiring today. It's easier to manage playing options in my opinion, especially on the same day expiration. And I don't think SPY will have any sort of real support until we go down to 456. Then we'll test that, and I'll sell most of my options right there, and then looking to see if I want to buy in or not, right? And the reason why 456, that's because yesterday's VWAP show really strong, uh, basically where buyers show up. If you look at it on the what is it? If you pull up like a 15-minute chart or even a minute, 5-minute chart, here you see the 2-minute. You see how yesterday, every time it comes down to the VWAP, we're able to find buyers, right? And even towards the end of the day, buyers showed up. So the institutions were having their bids on the VWAP from yesterday, right? So we kind of just right now, use that as a support, not anything else, just that, because that's where I find the important levels to be. And this is the pull option. We're up $300 right now. We'll just keep on holding it. I really know nothing. Don't get too emotional. Don't we're up just because you like. Here's the thing: a lot of new traders will probably take some profit, but the thing is, it's not easy to take for your stock to move down like this. So why should you lock in profit when it move all the way down? If you know what I mean, you know because people are afraid that it's gonna go up. But like the thing is with stocks, when the price is at this like 457.60, it's at 457.60, not 460.22. You know what I mean? So I find it easier to actually hold through a lot of profits than actually liquidating you know any drawdowns. Basically, when the stock is going in against my favorite, I cut my loss really fast just because I have that mentality of the stock right now is at this price instead of that price. Anyways, we're still holding, and it's getting a little bit away from its view up. It's usually a sign of it being a little bit overextended. But like I said, I want this thing to pull all the way down to 456 area. So it's still got a dollar to go, like maybe yeah, a dollar to go. And I'm just being really patient. It can bounce back however it wants, but the path to least resistance, in my opinion, is going down. I don't think any major buyers will show up until yesterday's VWAP, and that's how I'm trading this thing. Maybe one day I make a video on this. It's my way of what is it? Using supply and demand to trade a stock, to day trade stock as well. No pattern, nothing like that. Just simple, demand and supply and demand. And this video would be a little bit long actually because I'm not gonna fast forward or anything. I'm just gonna like show you guys how it is. And you can see the profit was all the way up to $485, and now I don't know if you guys can see it. Now it's down to like 295, which is quite a bit, which is fine. Where is my stop? Well, usually in this case, I have it at the high of the day. I don't. It's option, so you can't really put a hard stop in. You guys use you gotta have mental stop right there. But high of today. But if you're swinging, please don't use mental stop. It's stupid. Anybody that says you should use mental stop is a fraud, and you should not, follow them, subscribe to them, or trust them. To be honest, I hate when people do that. Just misinformation. But when it comes to daily day trading with options, if you find mental health being really hard, then only buy shares that you can lose. Only buy options to the dollar amount that you can lose. For example, the options that I bought is 10 options is worth 735. Then 735 becomes your stop loss. If it goes below that, let it expire worthless. That's the best way to do it in my opinion. And yeah, now the SPY, had a little bounce again. Now it's coming back down. It's 9:47 right now, so we're still early in the market, right? I am gonna go grab water because I don't think we're gonna hit 456 really quickly. I'll be back. I apologize if I'm being really quiet. In the morning, I don't really have much energy other than trading and just focus on tickers. There is one stock that I've been HD and DHI. I've been paying attention to these two. I would love to buy these two stocks. It's just the fact that it's like the market volatility isn't gone yet. So it's not I don't feel happy or safe. IWM and the Q seems to be a lot weaker than the actual SPY. But I just traded SPY. IWM is getting to a crucial area. IWM is straight up touching the perhaps that this would have been a weaker trade on the IWM. It's literally touching the VWAP from yesterday. And let's see. Give me a second. I don't think buyers are gonna show up. Oh, we'll see. The buyers may show up right here for IWM. It will be, you know, a really important level to see. Same thing with the SPY. The Nasdaq is also actually being against yesterday's view up. We can see that it found a little bit of buyers, but it doesn't seem like it's holding right here. That's not good. Okay. I'm gonna make a tweet right now, telling the world that this might just crumble again. Have a small day trading short on SPY. This whole thing might just crumble. It really looked like it might just crumble. Or we get an undercut of the VWAP, which is totally fine. But it doesn't seem like it. Here goes SPY. The put option is up $600. I'm still holding it. Like I said, the target is really clear, 456-ish area, and that's it. He's probably found some buyers. Yeah, the moment you undercut the view off from the previous day, usually the bid from yesterday is not gone. The institutions still have their bid up there, and the TLT is going. Wow, interesting. I might buy some TLT options for swing because the if you look at it on the daily chart, the TLTs actually have a really interesting um uh, structure going on right here. It had a little shakeout. It's literally consolidating, bang to break up high. SPY just hit 456, and we're still holding it. Like I said, we're still holding all of our put options until we see this thing really get into the VWAP from yesterday, and then that's where I will liquidate. If not all, because yeah, that's it's really a quick swing trade. That not sorry, quick day trade. That's it. SPY is going down. coming in contact with the view up. Right here, I am going to liquidate all of my.
Order filled.
So we've made $900 right here, just in about this video. How long? It's 10 minutes. And I've liquidated all. Now, some of you guys, why will you liquidate right here? This thing might just keep on going down. It's paying right against the VWAP from yesterday. So right here, I need to be observing the price action, not to be in a trade. You know, I will enter a trade after I've observed enough and realize that, okay, it's good enough for me to enter the trade. But, you know, when I'm observing it, I don't want to be in it. I just want to see how does the price react to it, right? The axe right now is at 411.81. The bid is at 411. Oh, sorry, that's HD. Well, yeah, I was gonna say the price is weird. God, HD is an expensive stock. Okay, the SPY is gonna continue and fall a little bit. Seems like maybe. Looks like it's gonna continue and fall. So no, never mind. We got it's fighting right now. That's what it is. SPY is coming down right to where yesterday's view up is. We just wait. I apologize. Guys, this video is gonna be long. You know, I'm not gonna edit it. How about this? Make it easier for you guys to actually watch this video. I'm gonna stop the recording right now. If immediately right after this video I follow up, I go in with a follow up video, that would be I bought in this trade once again. And if I didn't upload anything, that means the trade ends here today for SPY because it's pretty overextended. And that's it for today. Okay, I'm gonna upload this video right now for you guys to see.